Greetings, Shelby County School students, families, and business partners. In partnership with the Greater Memphis Chamber, Manufacturing Day is designed to give our students exposure to new career opportunities. Today, we celebrate industries located in the city of Memphis and Shelby County that fuel our economy, create jobs, and provide products and services used around the globe.
I'm Beverly Robertson, President and CEO of your Greater Memphis Chamber, and I want to welcome you to our 2021 Virtual Manufacturing Day. Now, at the Greater Memphis Chamber, we are definitely committed to improving our school district's career pathways for students just like you.
Hi, my name is Kyla Guyette. I'm the president of Workforce Mid-South, and I am so excited to have you guys learn about manufacturing and all of the amazing job opportunities we have right here in your own hometown.
We want to inspire everyone, not just a small fraction of individuals. We want to talk about it holistically. We want to talk about it with our staff. We want to talk about it across the communities to ensure that everyone understands the important role that manufacturing plays throughout our industry.
Smith & Nephew is a global franchise. We're based out of the UK, so that's where our home offices are out of. We have about 18,000 employees globally. Here in Memphis, we're right at 2,000 employees.
This is one of our classes also. This is soldering class. This is not a required class, but this is a class that a lot of students like to take for their technical electives. Within the program, you have two courses that you are able to choose a technical elective of your choosing in our program, in the anywhere in the engineering. And so this is kind of what it would look like.
Lorenzo, why do you love Atlantic Track?
I love Atlantic Track for the opportunity to be able to work for a railroad company. And plus, they have great workers and we all work together. Therefore, it makes my job a whole lot easier.
Why do you love Atlantic Track?
It feels like home, and it feels like family when you work here. We care about each other. We care about what goes on. It's just a great place to work.
Nervous? Why do you love Atlantic Track?
I love Atlantic Track because of the hard, hands-on work we have to do. I love the pay. I love just the whole environment of the welding department and the South Shop of Assembly and Manufacturing.
So we're a medical device company here at Medtronic, and the work that we do, the products that we provide are very important. A lot of them are needed for cases same day or next day, and they're life-saving technologies. So everything we do is highly regulated, it's fast-paced, very important work, but we have a very strong mission, and that's to restore health, alleviate pain, and extend life.
We see about $750 million of outsourced items that come in that are medical devices that we have to make sure that we maintain the proper quality controls on, and make sure our suppliers are not shipping us something that doesn't meet our standards.
Now here on this screen, you see several types of medical devices or endoscopic solutions that we use. The Olympus portfolio ranges from endoscopes to laparoscopes to video and imaging systems. We support the healthcare professionals and contribute to improve the quality of life for people all over the world.
All right, team. My name is Alfonso Kaufman, and I'm the Director of Manufacturing in Varsity Spirit. So what does that mean? That I have 4 factories that report to me with about 800, 900 associates, each of them. Yes.
So as I mentioned, the service desk manager, which is really our front line of service and support, our tech support for our many different divisions throughout the company. Hardware, software, we do troubleshooting. We're kind of that first triage for any of those technical aspects, telecommunications, your phone and video.
We are considered a global climate innovator. We have brands Train, Thermo King, and now Train Technologies in our portfolio. And our job is to make sure we're environmentally responsible for products and services and to bring efficient and sustainable climate solutions to buildings, homes, and transportations.
There is opportunity for growth, as I mentioned before. And we do foster a positive employee relations environment. We call that also open door policy. So all of the managers, all of the leaders are available 24/7 to their employees. You can text us, call us, send us emails, come into our office without an appointment, because we want to consider ourselves a family where we help each other whatever time you need.